Hi everyone, welcome to Start to Excel in 3 minutes. In this video, I will show you some other shortcut followed by the filtering shortcut in the last video. So here, let's say I would like to select all the data in first, let's say second row. So I can do it by press shift and right arrow one by one. And I can see that I have selected all the rows here. What if I want to select all the rows at once? And then in that case, I have to press Control, Shift, and right arrow. Then I can see that the whole row is selected. Similarly, if I want to select the whole column, I have to place the cursor, or I can use the up arrow or down arrow to place the cursor, and then I have to press shift and down arrow one by one. Then I can select similarly the whole column. But what if I want to select the whole column at once? In that case, I have to use Control, Shift, and arrow, so I can see that the whole column is selected. Okay, so I press up arrow, then I can see my cursor is on B1 cell. Now I would like to place my cursor, or I would like to select the last value of column B, which is Thailand. Then in that case, what I have to do is I have to just press Control and down arrow, and I can see that last value is selected. Similarly, if I want to select the last value of row 21, then I can similarly press Control and right arrow. Then I can see that the last row of column L, or last row of row 21, is selected. What if I want to go up? Then I have to press Control up arrow. Then I can see my cursor is on the header of column L. Then I want to go to the cell A1. Then similarly, I have to press A1. Control and left arrow. What if I want to select all the data at once? Then I have to press Control, Shift, both down and right arrow. So I have to be careful because I have to press it one by one, which is again Control, Shift, down arrow or right arrow. Then after down arrow, then I'll press right arrow. Then I can see that whole dataset is selected. Thanks everyone.